5, you have only payment and you don't have QSIN because QSIN is present for 6. 135, 136 is what we have. So that's the reason, because user IDs are not common, there are 4 ways to merge. The first way is called left merge. In the case of left merge, what you do is like, right, on the left data frame, what are the keys? 135 keys are there. I don't care if 135 are present in the other data frame. If they are there, I'll use them. If they're not there, I'll put an AN there. So the final merged data frames, in the case of left join, the final data frame will have all the key IDs of the left data frame. Similarly is the right case. In the right case, what you do, in the right side data frame, you will see all the keys. And for those keys, if the relevant data is there for left side data frame, you put it. If you don't have, just drop it out and put NaN and keep it. Now, inner join is something specific. Inner join is like intersection. In both data frames, if the keys are common, then you will merge it. Right? In the outer join, what do you have? If the keys are there, if the keys are not there, still you merge it. Guys, this inner and outer merge is very, this kind of merges are very important to understand. Just give me a moment. I'll show you with a simple example how this works. And go back and do it after the class again on the data frame. Any data frame examples you have taken. Right? So I'll take one data frame, D1. I'm saying user ID. I hope you can see my screen on whiteboard. User ID and payment. And data frame 2, user ID and QSIN. For the sake of ease, I am taking only small, very small. Payment. Let's say this guy is cash, this guy is credit card, this guy is debit card. This guy is like South Indian, and this guy is like Asian, and this guy is like Italian. Preference. Right? Now let's do joins. Okay. If I do, first thing I'll do is inner join. If I take inner join, what is the output? The output is always intersection of user IDs. So I have 1 and 3 user ID here. I have 1 and 3 user ID here. Only this will come. So the output of inner, I'm writing outputs here. It will be use of merge, user ID, payment, and QSIN. Okay, user ID 1 and 3 are common. Those will come. For user ID 1, payment is cash and credit card. For user ID 1, what is QSIN? QSIN is like South Indian and Asian. This is the output of inner join. And if you go for outer join, what is the output? The outer join will take union of all the user IDs. This is the index column, or it's also called as keys. 1, 3, 5, and 6. All the 5 will come. All the 4 will come. So for 1 and 3, it's cash, sorry, credit card. This is good. Let's look at fifth one. For fifth one, payment is debit card. That's there. But for fifth user ID, do you have QSIN information? You don't have it. There is no user ID 5 here. So what it will do is it will put a NA value. NA is not available. Similarly for sixth, What happens? Italian. Cuisine is present, but your payment is not present. Your payment is not present, then it will be shown as NA value. This will be output of outer join. Now, what is the output of left join? In the left case, let's say I'm merging D1 comma D2. I don't care whether other has, I'll just get all the user IDs here. The output is again, the number of columns are the same. Payment and cuisine is the same, right? User IDs I'll get 135. Payment I'll get same, cash, credit card, debit card, cuisine, SI, South Indian, Asian, but here you'll get NA value because for this guy you don't have it. This is left join because you are prioritizing all the user IDs in the left case. And finally, in the right join output, how will it be? User ID, payment, cuisine. This is the same. Merging will happen, but right join, what happens? You have right side data frame coming here. 1, 3, 6. Payments for 1 is cash, credit card. For 6, there is no payment information. So you put it as NA. Cuisine information is there, SI, Asian, and Italian. This is how output will happen in the case of this joins. People who have done SQL or maybe Excel, you might have been good with it. But people who have never data exposure, this is something very important operation which you get very frequently, the kind of merging. Merging will result in NES in some cases. Only in inner join, it won't, it might not throw, but other cases, if the data is not there, it's right. So how to do it, all these things? pd.merge, the code is same, left data frame is same, right data frame is same. On is nothing but you're mentioning which user ID. We are merging here on place ID. How is equal to right. What I explained is this part. How is equal to right happens, how is equal to left, how is equal to inner, how is equal to outer. What really happens in this is that